Hi everyone, welcome to Gats and Freedom Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Hey everyone, Dennis here. Alright, we got a great video for you tonight. We got some lobsters here. We got 3 lobsters. So I'm going to make stuffed lobster with clam. We got the water boiling here. We got our oven set to 450 degrees. I am going to boil these for 10 minutes and then they're going to go in the oven. While they're boiling, we're going to jump into the recipe. I'm going to show you guys how I make stuffed lobster. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, let's get these lobsters in. They're going in for 10 minutes here because they're going to go in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Want to get them in there quick. Here's about 1.5 pounds lobsters. We'll get them going, covered for 10 minutes. Then we'll get in the recipe here. Alright, so I have a stick of butter melted in the microwave. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. There's garlic salt with Italian seasoning and parsley. And then what we have here is minced clams. So we're going to add that, and then we have some diced up chunky clams. I'll get a little clam juice in there as well. Now we're just going to leave it in there, get this mixed up. Got a few more minutes on the lobsters going there. And I use sweetened butter, give it a little bit sweetness to it. Right, so we're taking a 1/2 stick of butter here and put it in this pan. I'm going to grab some of this lobster broth. Just want to keep some water in the pan so the lobsters don't dry out in the oven. Alright, here's our lobsters all ready to get cleaned up and packed up. Alright, so I got the lobsters split. Cut the tail. Now I'm going to get some lemon juice on them. Get some lemon juice in this water down here. I don't like lemon juice and butter on seafood. And we're just going to shove this clam mixture inside. Get a nice amount in there. Once we fill the lobster, then I'll put some filling along the tail. This is the way you should get them from restaurants. Nice and stuffed. There we go. We got our stuffed lobsters. Alright, let's get these in the oven. We'll be back. Alright, lobsters are done. Stuffing is a little brown. I turn on the broiler for a few extra minutes. Get a little crisp to it. We don't want to overcook and ruin the lobster meat. Alright everybody. This is stuffed lobster with clam. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel. Please turn the notification bell on so that way you get notified when we upload more videos or when we go live. We appreciate each and every one of you. Please be safe.